Welcome back to Turbo Talks. Honda Ridgeline. If your weekends look like roof racks, muddy boots, and a cooler in the bed, but your weekdays demand quiet rides, easy parking, and zero drama, the Ridgeline is still the most rational truck in North America. It rides like a well-sorted crossover thanks to its unibody structure, yet it hauls, tows, and works without beating you up. The in-bed trunk locks, drains, and swallows the messy stuff you don't want inside. The dual-action tailgate drops or swings for awkward cargo. And VTM4 torque vectoring AWD makes progress on slick surfaces feel effortless instead of theatrical. Who it's for? Contractors and adventure families who actually use their trucks. Why it's a masterpiece? It's engineered around your week, not a spec sheet arm wrestle. The cabin is quiet, the steering is predictable, and the suspension shrugs off expansion joints other trucks crash over. Confirmed versus expected. Interior tech alignment, a cleaner digital cluster, and continued Honda sensing emphasis are real. Hybrid rumors persist because they make sense. Until Honda confirms, buy for what exists today, the most livable light-duty truck you can daily.